Howdy. I know it's been a while. I bought myself an RV that needs work. So I've been busy. Haven't been recording though. Too much work to do on it. So here we have a spoiler that is carbon fiber. It was all yellowed, faded, water spots. They even put some clear over it to try to revive it, but nada. But this is how you restore your carbon fiber. I sanded it originally with 80 to get that top layer off. And you've got to sand it till just before the carbon fiber. You've got to sand it down almost all the way to the carbon fiber without, of course, damaging the carbon fiber. So it's a very careful process. I started with 80, then 180, and then I'm going to sand it with 320 wet sand, and then put the clear coat on it. But this is what I use to check it. Just like this. That way you know if you've sanded it enough. See, I've gotten all that yellow and stain out of there. Of course, the camera itself is kind of making it delusional. But I originally wasn't going to video this, but then decided to, so I apologize. But basically just sand it down. I started with 80, then 180, then I'm going to 320 it and clear coat it. But it was in bad shape. It was horrible. It was yellow. But you just sand it down to just before you hit the carbon fiber. And then just occasionally just keep checking yourself. Spray that adhesive promoter on there and it shows you exactly where you're at. So I know he's going to be real happy. He likes this spoiler a lot, so I'm glad we're able to restore it. To be continued. This is what it looks like sanded. And as you can see, right here is where you're just starting to get to the carbon fiber. So you want to stop right there. Shortly before that would be great, but it's hard to gauge sometimes. The carbon fiber surfaces are always wavy, so you can't just sand it straight and be done. Sometimes you have to dig in these little areas that are low because you just see patches of yellow here and there. So that's when you take your, I call it Acrosol, and layer it on there, and it shows you exactly where you're at. That way you don't go too far, because it does disturb the carbon fiber just a little bit. Most people won't notice it, but I know where of. So just get it just to the carbon fiber and it comes out nice and clean. It's all that yellow gel coat, or whatever they call that clear that's on it. So now I'm wet sanding it with 320, and it will reveal areas that still need some attention. Like right there. Still a little white. So sand a little harder in that area. These are some of the areas that went through. So you gotta be careful, because it does kind of distort it a little bit. So wet sanding is probably your best bet to prevent you from going to the carbon fiber. But get it pretty close with your 80 DA, and then wet sand it with 320 to find areas like this. So what I did there is just concentrated my sanding right on that spot. Just sand right on where the spot is white. Now it looks even. So there it is, clear coated. Now some of these areas that I went through, yeah, they show. So you definitely want to avoid going through the gel coat, the clear gel coat. And all in all, compared to what it used to look like, it looks pretty good. But definitely if there's just a little bit of white, a little bit of the faded, you definitely have to sand that out. So the best way really to do this the best way is to sand it with 80 pretty far, but don't get to the gel coat, and then take your 320 wet sand and take care of all your little areas that are still faded. And I put 3 coats of clear coat, and I use Rubber Seal. It's a really good clear coat. It lasts a long time. It buffs real easy, dries real quick. And so I'll buff this after I get it on there, if he approves of it. So there it is. If you have a carbon fiber piece that you just, can't replace anymore, this is an alternative for sure. So this thing was just yellow. It was nasty. It was horrible. Water spots on it. It was bad. So this is a far cry from what it was. So there you have it. So happy trails, whatever you're floating, flying, driving around in. And nice little wiggle. See ya.